How to log in to Netspend Debit Card account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Netspend Debit Card login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down and then navigate to this one website option, netspend.com. Netspend.com, Netspend Debit account. Open it. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now, at the top right corner, you're gonna find three bars. Click on that. Click on the option of login. You'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the username. Then type in the password. If you want to save your username, check in for the option of remember username. If you have forgotten the username or the password and want to recover it, click on these options. With that, your problem will be resolved. After you provide all the details, click on login, and with that, you'll be logged into your Netspend debit card account. So this way you can easily get access to a Netspend debit card account online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.